Dhoni is underplaying himself. Even last day I saw him. He should exert himself. You cannot say, okay, the other young boys are there. They will take charge. Because Dhoni, either he plays or he doesn't play. If he's playing, he has to be the same Dhoni. Otherwise, he should not play. Especially the match against RCB, Dhoni did come on time, but he struck little late. When he had 3 or 4 overs to bat, he is batting like what he used to bat earlier, because the earlier reflexes are not there. So now he has to change the game and even go for single 1 and 2. You can't always play a 4 or a 6. And well, we all know that Dhoni is a finisher, but I'm not there to comment on him because his capability is much more than what I am. But I somehow feel as a spectator, he should have started striking a little early, and I'm sure they would have won. So Dhoni is all-time great, but situation requires alteration and change as per situation.
Very well said, sir. Do you think we will be able to see any helicopter shots in this game?
Yes, he's capable of it, and he can play depending on the situation. But I don't know why since last season, not this season, he's underplaying himself. He's holding back. He should try himself little. Let him come. Let him fail if it doesn't matter. Let him come, maybe 3 down or 4 down, and play as a strike batsman like Sunil Narayan plays. Because he has got the capacity, he's got the reflexes, and he's a wicket keeper. He can see the ball. So I agree with you. We should try him out little earlier in 1 or 2 matches.
Do you think age is also playing a factor in this?
Definitely, I'm a sports person. I'm 65. So I used to play for the state table tennis when I was young, maybe 23, 25. I left the game. I made a comeback after 33 years, but my reflexes is not that sharp. But I play in the category. I play 65 category. But Dhoni is playing the men's category. He's not playing the seniors category. So definitely age is a factor. But Dhoni has got the physical fitness. Dhoni has got the ability. I think this season at least he can play to his earlier ability.
A lot of people have been talking about Dhoni taking retirement. What do you think?
Retirement not only for Dhoni, even for Virat Kohli or our Sharma ji, we are no one to judge. Especially for Virat Kohli. He will himself go away when he's at the peak, just like Dhoni. So we are not there to tell him that he should retire, but one should not overdo themselves, especially with regard to Rohit Sharma. When he knows that he cannot play as opening batsman, he should come down to the middle order.
Sir, which team do you support?
I am from Hyderabad. I support Hyderabad first. Then comes Dhoni's team, CSK, and then Kolkata Knight Riders. But of late, I'm supporting RCB because till now they have not won the cup, and even Punjab. So Punjab and RCB are now which I'm also supporting apart from Hyderabad, Kolkata, and Chennai.
You made a very good point that RCB hasn't won a cup yet. Yet we see that RCB has a very loyal fan following. How is that? Why?
Yeah, fan following will be there. Suppose I am from Hyderabad. Even if Hyderabad loses, though I may get upset, but I will always support Hyderabad. I think 2 seasons back, we lost all the matches in Hyderabad. But though we get disappointed, though we scream, though we curse them, but again we come back to see the match and support Hyderabad. Because we are all rooted, we are all Indians. We'll all support our own home team. So home team is a favourite. But RCB has got the potential. They should win. Especially this team, they should win. And Kohli is doing well.
Sir, if I'm not wrong, please correct me if I'm wrong. Shardul Thakur is playing from Hyderabad? No, Ishan Kishan.
Yeah, Ishan Kishan is playing from Hyderabad. I think Mumbai made a wrong choice. Though I am in Mumbai right now because my son is posted here. But Mumbai has been having the financial power to take people or to leave people. That I feel is not good in the long run. You should have a group of people whom you can depend on. And Ishan Kishan is one of those talents. And I think Hyderabad is fortunate to have got Ishan Kishan. And he scored a century. It's law of average. You score a century, next match you're zero. So it's up and down.